Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to apply background special effects using the CapCut app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. To apply background special effects, you just have to add one of your videos to your project, then tap on effects, and here there are two options: video effects and body effects. Now tap on the body effects and go to decoration, and at the decoration section you will find all these different background effects that you can apply to your videos. They work very beautifully. I'm very impressed with this. I never imagined that such professional effects could be used so easily. Like a few years ago, you had to be like a CGI artist to create such effects, and now you can just apply them to your videos by one tap. So yeah, that's pretty much it, how you can add these background effects. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.